First fish in Bangladesh. Ita kita kidat masira. And they taste absolutely delicious. I could live here forever, you know. I love the village life. Oh, this is a Bangla love khodu.
The khodu gas. Hello everyone and assalamu alaikum. Right now I'm here in Sylhet Mogla Bazaar, my nana's bari, where my mum was born. The bari is around 10 kilometers away from Sylhet city, and the weather today is absolutely boiling. Guys, I'm sweating. My whole back is sweating. It's boiling.
It's so peaceful here in the village. Yesterday we went shipgoing Sylhet and it was so hot. I think the temperature was around 35 degrees Celsius. And I really like it in this village. It's nice and peaceful. Most people are self-sufficient in the village. They catch their own fish. They grow their own vegetables and fruits. We'll give you a walkthrough of the bari here in this village. You really enjoy it. Wow. Huh?
Yeah. That's a pretty big one.
First fish in Bangladesh. Ita kita kidat masira.
Sengi mas.
Sengi mas ni. The satni khain ita di.
Yeah.
Ita pula.
Oh.
Ah, it's biting me.
Hey.
It's biting me. It's fighting back. Caught my finger in.
Yeah, he's not. He swallowed it. Dad, I think he swallowed the hook.
Yes, we'll take the hooks out. মাছ মারছো না তুমি ওটা? আমি তো তোমার আগে মাছ মারি দিলাম। ওই যে গজার মাছ পা গজার। Oh, that was so good. Cool water. The good thing about in the village in the Bangladesh, people don't have to pay for water bills. The only thing they pay for is electricity and gas. But I think a lot of people still use firewood for cooking in the village. But here in my Shoshul Bari they have gas and electricity. But this water actually is so good.
I think I should wash my feet too. Dad, pump it for me while I wash my feet. Oh, it feels so nice and cooling.
Feels good, yeah?
Yes.
How do I look in the longies?
You look good, Dad.
Yes?
And the longi is much more comfortable, isn't
much
it?
More comfortable. This is the first time I'm wearing a longi after many, many years.
The last time I saw you in a longi when I was a baby.
I kind of like it actually. I think you're supposed to put it up a bit and hold it like this. That's how you know.
Come.
Oh, this is a beautiful mattu or zambura, we call them in Sylhet here. Now it's a bit like grapefruit. There are lots of ants on them. And I can see there's so many of them. And you make chutneys out of them with garlic and lots of chilies, dry chilies or green chilies.
Look at this one over here.
And they taste absolutely delicious.
There's so many up in the tree over here.
The zambura or the mattu. And I can see there's plenty of them. Looks like it's going to rain.
Yeah, I'm starting to feel it. Come. Look at the goats.
Oh, the goats are back. And the chickens.
I think that's the dad and that's the mum.
This is my favorite one, these two here. They look like twins.
Yeah, they like you the most.
Oh, they like me. Oh, zambura chutney. Oh.
It looks nice.
Try some here.
It's nice and spicy, and it's got the right amount of garlic in it. I could eat this for days. Dad, it's your turn.
Tangy and a little sweet. It has that kick to it, the spice and the garlic. I could live here forever, you know. I love the village life. You want some chutney? This one. Let's give him chutney. Let me see if he likes it.
Don't give him the chilies.
No, won't give him the chili.
Oh my god, what's happening?
No, he loves it. He loves it.
He likes it.
He loves the chilies.
Let's give him a little bit more.
Let's put some in my hand. Oh, he loves it. He loves it. No more. No more. We're going to have a... Oh, this is a Bangla Lao Khodu.
The Khodu gas.
It's the end of season for us in the UK, but it's the beginning of Khodu season in the Bangladesh here. So I can see they've growing Khodu here.
Look, there's more up there. Okay. This is another Khodu gas over here. Got a pretty big tailors.
There could be snakes here.
I'm very scared of snakes as well.
Alright, so that's a nice... Is that a kumra or khodu? It looks a little bit like a kumra.
It does a little bit.
Yeah, it looks like ash god. I think this could be an ash. No, actually, looking at the leaves, it's a khodu leaves, khodu vine. So I think slightly deformed khodu here. Or maybe different varieties. So that's another one there.
It's a different variety.
The chicken there, I think don't frighten the chickens.
I won't.
I think we're going to have one of those today. They're not. Alright. So plenty of khodus. So that's a big chicken here.
Called a hen.
Hen.
Yeah. It makes the cock-a-doodle-doo sound in the morning. That's what woke me up.
Woke me up this morning.
Yeah, that's what woke me up as well.
So like I said, the life in the village are very simple. People live on little things, small things, and they're so happy. And it's so amazing to see that people they grow their own stuff. They grow their own fruits and vegetables. They even grow their own rice. They have the chickens, goats, ducks, and they catch their own fish.
I normally play cricket here with my cousins or badminton. It's really fun.
So this is a huge pushkuni here.
Oh, watch out, Dad, don't step in the poo. I can smell it somewhere here.
And that's a school there, by the way. So they have a primary school just right in front of the bari. This is known as the DSP bari in Jahanpur, Mughla Bazaar. Oh, that's a huge pushkuni, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
And Mughla Bazaar train station is right in front of that school here.
There's so much greenery and nature. It's so lovely to see.
I really love village life. If I lived in Bangladesh, I think I would stay in the village.
I wouldn't like to stay in the city. There's so much pollution as well.
So much pollution, stinks.
And so much noise.
And the noise in the traffic, oh my God.
It's terrible.
Terrible, yes. So this is the primary school. I can hear these children reading their books. Can you hear them up here?
Yes, I do. I've been to this primary school with my sister once. I think a few years ago, like 3 years ago, me and my sister and my bubby came to this primary school and we gave all the children snacks, chocolates and stuff, and they were all very happy. Oh my god. Let me see what fish it is.
Oh, this is a koi mas, one of your favorite.
Yes.
That's a
My
koi
first
fish. That's what ba. Sombra age mas mail nombra.
Yeah.
Aquí marse koi mas, arai marsi gozar mas.
Let me take the hook off.
Partana to me.
Splashed on my face.
Oh, he
He
loves
just
it.
licks it
He
off.
loves it. He loves it. Oh, there's another one. Come here, come.
No more.
He wants all our chutney. Oh, you can't have it anymore. You're spoiled.
And yesterday he had a lot of it as well.
Mm.
He's a cute one.
I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share the videos with friends and family.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Assalamu alaikum and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, they're lovely, aren't they?
They're so cute.
Only Lana and Amelia were here.
They would have played with them the whole day.
Yeah, it's good. That's the mother there.
Hello. What do you think we should call him?
Oh, the money.
Oh, he likes the camera.
What's the big?
No.